you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am showing you how I did this dramatic blue eye look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go.
Hey guys, so today I decided to do a voiceover because the day when I recorded that video, it was just a lot of stuff going on. In the background, you'll see my kid running around. So yeah. So I just took the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and put that over the lid, and I'm just taking a brush to spread that concealer out. So next I'm going to take this single shadow from Sephora. I don't know the name of the shadow because I don't have it right next to me, but I will have it linked down in the description box. So I'm just stamping that shade into the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. So y'all, can we address the elephant in the room? Like, your girl got a new freaking intro. How do y'all like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I worked my behind off because I didn't go to bed till like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I've been working on that thing all day. So I hope you guys like it. The next shade I'm going in with is the shade Radio, and I'm just taking that on the inner corner. Y'all, please excuse my hand. I was trying to see what I was doing, but I will be turning towards the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go back into the shade Big Sky and tap that over Radio, which is where we put into the inner corner. So from now on out, I'm just going to be going back and forth between Big Sky, Radio, and that Sephora single shadow shade. So I'm just going to stop talking and let the video play. I know I said I was going to let the video play out, but I'm just taking that single shadow just to intensify the color. So the next thing I'm going to do is take a blue liner from L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm going to take that into the waterline and blend that out with that single shadow from Sephora. So the final look is about to be revealed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Also, if you want the details on that beat, please be sure to check out my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!